Holy moly, guys, this is not looking good for GameStop stock at all. The company just reported earnings yesterday, and their stock is down around 18% right now. Let's just dive into it. We're going to break down the charts, the stock. We're going to go over why it's falling, and of course, what I'm looking to do. But before we dive into the video, let me actually fix the angle here. This looks like crap. There we go. Make sure to get up to 16 free stocks from Moomoo, each up to $2,000 by going down below or by going to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo. Once you open up your account, you get one free share of stock right off the bat. Fund your account with at least $100, you get 5 more stocks, and fund your account with at least $1,000, guys, you get 10 more stocks, totaling 16 free stocks. So if you want some free money and you want to help out the channel, use that Moomoo link down below. And now, cheers, let's dive right into the video. So again, guys, their numbers came out yesterday after the bell. Let me see exactly what they ended up reporting. It looks like they did adjusted EPS of -14 cents, which missed the -12 cents expected, and sales missed as well. Oh man, look at that, 1.24 billion versus 1.36 billion expected. Let me see here. Cash equivalents, and marketable securities were $1.31 billion at the close of Q1. And the big news is, guys, that they actually hired, or not hired, they terminated their CEO, and they named Ryan Cohen as executive chairman of the company. Let me actually pull up the article here quickly, guys, before we dive into the charts. Give me a second, bear with me. Here we go. So right here, you guys can see this is the article. Let me pull it up and show you guys. GameStop fired its CEO, Matt Furlong, and elevated Ryan Cohen to executive chairman, the company announced on Wednesday, and the company did not provide a reason for Furlong's termination, nor did it respond to CNN's request for further information. However, according to a company filing with the SEC, Furlong will be entitled to receive payments and benefits associated with a termination without cause. Furlong had been GameStop CEO since 2021, so not that long, guys, but he's out of there. And well, Ryan Cohen again got pushed up to executive chairman. And you guys probably remember Chewy co-founder, or rather he was the Chewy co-founder, and he joined GameStop's board in 2021 after acquiring a nearly 13% stake in the gaming company. And GameStop became a poster child for, of course, the meme stock rally, which we're not going to get into that in this video. But yeah, that's the big news, guys. They fired their CEO. Ryan Cohen stepped up now, and well, they missed EPS and revenue, which really all that combined, well, maybe not Ryan Cohen stepping up, but the firing of the CEO and them missing EPS and revenue, that is what, is causing the stock to fall dramatically right now, which again is currently down around, let me see now, 18%, down around $5 per share. Yeah, not the best sign overall for GameStop, technically speaking. And pulling up the 4-hour time frame, guys, you can see, we're still technically holding an uptrend. Maybe not, maybe that's not the right word to use, but what we're seeing right here is, again, we're holding higher lows, even though we're down 18% right now. And another thing worth mentioning is we're actually slightly under the 180 SMA and well under the 50 SMA on this 4-hour time frame. You guys can see we're right around $21 per share. So even though we're actually down a good chunk right now, 18%, it's not the end of the world, at least in my opinion here, for GameStop when it comes down to the charts, because now we're actually seeing consolidation. You can see that on the intraday chart. We've seen that all pre-market, all day today. It's currently, what time is it? Almost noon on the East Coast, and we saw consolidation all aftermarket yesterday, of course, after we got that initial drop where it went down to $19-20. So it's actually consolidating, guys, which is a good sign, you could argue, for the bulls here on the 4-hour chart. Now, the million-dollar question is, will it pop? Will we see a rally off this trend line? Maybe we start breaking above the 180 SMA again, or will this completely flush right through here, start falling through, $19 again, $18, which you guys can see, $18, that was the low from the beginning of May, which obviously, if we start breaking that trend, we start taking the lows out from a couple weeks ago, we start going back to the teens, obviously that would not be good for the bulls. So at this point, I'm just waiting for distinct direction. We kind of got that shock. Now the cat's out of the bag. Earnings are out of the bag, right? Earnings are out. So let's see how the, stock does over the next couple of days, kind of as the dust settles. And me personally, guys, I might look at this as a trading, well, I am looking at this as a trading opportunity if we're able to start taking out, let's say, $22. We start climbing out of that hole slowly. So I'm going to set my alert now at mark is at or above $22. If we start breaking above that point, mid-20s, maybe higher 20s, we could be going back there. That could be in the cards. Well, it is in the cards, but we have to see if we actually get the confirmation. Time will tell, guys. Time will tell. I might as well put another alert at $23.25. Let me do that now. Mark is at or above. And yeah, guys, I'm going to be patient, wait and see if we break 22, and we'll see where it goes from there. And full disclosure, guys, I do not have a GameStop position right now, but I am considering it heavily here in the short term. And of course, I'll keep you guys updated, so make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell if you have not done that already. So let me see what the markets in general are doing right now. It looks like we have a green day across the board, except for the Russell, which, I'm honestly okay with that because the Russell's been going up and away these past couple of days. So it's about time we start seeing a little bit of selling in the Russell. It's currently down about 0.75%. It's at 1875 right now, down 13 points. And just a couple of days ago, guys, it was at 1730, 1740. So we're up a whopping 7%, 8% still, even with this pullback that we're seeing today. So let me tell you guys, the bulls are definitely gaining an edge on the Russell, even though today we're selling off. And of course, we have the NASDAQ up 1.3%. Looks like that's doing pretty well, up 4.5 points here on Triple Q, which is great. And now it looks like we're starting to go up to test the highs from the end of May, early June, being around 353, 354. If that were to break, guys, we could be going even higher. So let me actually set my alert now at 354. Mark is at or above on Triple Q. And SPY, I'm looking at very closely, of course, guys, which is up 0.4% right now. It looks like we're still kind of consolidating at around 425, 430. Let's see what direction we pick. Honestly, at this point, it looks like we're starting to pick the upwards direction. In other words, right? It looks like we're starting to go 428, maybe 430. That, you guys can see, was the high over the past, it's been the high over the past couple of days. So let's see if we can start breaking out of there. I'll set my alert at 430. We'll see where it goes from there. And pretty much, guys, that's it. I don't want to go too much, on this video. That's the news I wanted to break down. I wanted to go over GameStop and quickly cover what the markets are doing. So if y'all found value, hit that like button. Make sure to subscribe. And guys, do not forget to get up to 16 stocks for Moomoo, each up to $2,000. It is free money. I'm telling you guys, use that link down below or go to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo. Once you open up your account, you get 1 free share of stock right off the bat. Fund your account with at least $100. You get 5 more stocks, and fund your account with at least $1,000, guys. You get 10 more stocks, totaling 16 free stocks. So if you want some free money and you want to help out the channel, use that Moomoo link down below. And now, guys, cheers. I'll catch you all in the next video. Keep crushing the markets. I'll see you later.